the extra battery. I bought.
Oh dang, this is tiny. There's the lens.
This is the
camera.
This
oh,
is
gosh,
the.
it's heavy.
This is the prime lens.
I got an SD card.
Part of the package deal. Yeah. Ruin.
Oh, and I came with some lens or lens hood.
A lens. Yes, a lens.
And then like a wrap or whatever.
That might be the cleaning. Okay.
So I believe what this is have IS. Yep.
Yes.
Which works in conjunction with the camera IS, which I'm really excited
Make it
for.
dual IS.
It looks
Hold it
so
slowly.
clean.
I want to see that.
Look at that.
I'm gonna turn it so we can.
1235, 25 millimeter to 82 feet to infinity. Oh, it's a nano surface coating, LUMIX. There's the zoom. You can turn image stabilization on and off right there. Copyright stuff made in Japan. Cover, lens cap.
Nice.
And we can try this one.
And that's the prime one.
I don't like how beat up the
This
box is.
This came with. Wanna open that?
What is that?
That came with that. So that's probably the little bag, the little pouch. When you put it, when you put that in here, it's probably just.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that cute?
That is cute. And here is my prime lens, which is just fun to say. Lens hood. That's all there is for the box. Instructions. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. It feels, immediately I feel like plasticky. Was it supposed to be plastic?
Some of them are.
25 mil or 50 mil or whatever. I don't know.
25 millimeter, but on a micro four thirds camera, it's the equivalent of a 50 nifty 50.
Gotcha.
It's a fixed lens. So you change focus by walking. You move your feet in order to change the focus.
We got a battery right here. Do you know if it's fully charged?
No, I don't know. We have to read our instructions.
I know. We'll put it in. Got a free extra battery, which would be handy. Although I know it's a very powerful battery. UV filter.
Which is kind of to protect the lens. And I can't remember if that one came for that one or this one, honestly. Some people use it as a lens protector.
Why? Oh, it's tiny.
Oh, that is really clean. Oh, what's this? What's this?
Is it a variable?
This is the charger. This is the battery charger.
46 millimeter.
And we need the cord, which is here. Get it?
So the paperwork that came with, at least the camera body, was first off there's this quick guide to the 4K, 6K photo thing on how to get them out of the video, I guess. And it has different languages and stuff. Not focusing.
Ah, much
There
better.
you go. Pretty handy.
Quick start for the focusing or the what do you call 4K, 6K?
That's just warranty stuff.
Well, but we have an upgrade to the warranty. You get a little longer warranty if you do take care of it right away.
I know what you're doing.
I'm trying to move that thing.
It's fine.
So it's a hefty manual. Look at the size.
Pretty hefty manual. It goes through the basics, you know, tying stuff, charging a battery, the parts of the camera. I missed that page. It comes in multiple languages, of course. And we got this huge poster about like all the different lenses, wide zoom, standard zoom, telephoto zoom.
The lenses that
stuff.
built to go with the LUMIX
Primary spherical. And then there was this Dear Customer GH5 firmware update. And they're talking about, oh, I got 10-bit 422 megabits per second vlog. That's helpful, and different languages. With the prime lens, they gave us an owner's manual. Quite a lot. Of course, a lot of other languages. And we got the same thing with the 1235. Goes out pretty big. And then with the UV filter, we got
They even have a booklet. Surprising truth about UV.
Talks about light and stuff. And that is
nice
basically it. You can't tell, but I'm excited for the camera. I'm tired.
Yay.